Hi everyone, have you ever wondered why almost all traders end in losses? Believe me, the money in your brokerage account is dormant if you don't know how to control your emotions. One of my students, Kenneth from Lagos, was losing thousands of dollars until we talk about the emotions, greed and fear. Now, this guy is already planning a family vacation to Bali. My name is Uche and I will help you trade better, my friends. Today, I will give you 2 keys to success right away. I will teach you how to control your emotions and show you a great strategy with unique trading setting. By the end of this video, you'll be much closer to your first trading profit body. So watch till the end and let's get started. Alright, I've already set up 2 indicators and SuperTrend that change color from green to red, and yellow simple moving average MA has the signal line. For the long trend, we need a green SuperTrend and price above the MA, and that is not the case here. Let's look for another chart. Same here, not suitable, but this one look perfect. Price is above and the moving average and the SuperTrend is green. Enter the market, my friends. Let's break it down again. A green SuperTrend means the price is an uptrend. A breakout above the MA signals another push toward this key level. After the rise, we are seeing a pause, but it won't last forever. Now we wait for a confirmation for my analysis. By the way, our strategy requires specific settings. I will show you the optimal parameters I've manually found. Turn at the end of the video. With them, you will maximize profit and avoid many losses trade, guys. For now, my close attentions to what's happening on the screen, and I'm already anticipating some great trade. The first one has just closed in profit, switching the charts and moving on. Okay, another solid entry point for a long trade. Even though it's pretty obvious, let's go over the details. The asset has consolidated above the MA and is ready to climb. SuperTrend is green and the currency pair is in the uptrend. All that's left is to profit from it. While we have got a moment, let's talk about something crucial. How are you handling your emotion during the trading? Do you feel fear, greed, or even rage when things go wrong? If so, that's totally normal. It's a human reaction common to all traders. But here's one important nuance. You need to learn to control those emotions. That's the essence of trading psychology, and it's what I want to discuss with you today. But by the way, another trade has just closed in profit and we are staying on this chart for now. As you can see, there's still a room to grow on the larger scale. So I'm entering another long trade. After a long decline, we are seeing a sharp bounce upward. Now the price is heading toward the level where the drop began. Indicators confirm further growth, so let's just wait for it. Back to psychology, greed and fear. These are 2 main drivers of growth behavior in the market. The fear large scale movement, but can be dangerous for individual traders. Greed means rushing into trades, taking excessive risks, over trading, and refusing to stop when needed. Fear leads to missed opportunities, avoiding necessary risks and leaving profit on the table. Both can end up in a disaster, right? Okay, I just closed another trade. Time to switch charts. Soon we'll dive into how to manage these emotions. Alright, we are trading alone again, guys. Let's break this down. This asset is covering after a drop. SuperTrend is green, price is above the MA and perfect setup. By the way, what you are seeing on the screen is just one way to use SuperTrend. It's a universal and highly effective indicator of future rate in many of my strategy. If you want to learn more, join my Telegram channel. Not only to break down the best trading strategy and share useful life hacks for traders, but I also provide free signals for almost risk-free market entries. This is exactly what you need if you are a beginner, just planning to start your journey in the financial market. By the way, the trade is closing and yes, I'm already in the profit again. Let's not linger on these charts. Time to move on the final of our trading sessions. Oh yes, here's an entry point that suits us perfectly, guys. Of course, I went long here. The situation is clear. The asset is starting to make higher lows, while breaking above the moving average. This happened in the previous candle, so we are in the right place at the right time. There is the room to grow, so we just need to wait for it. And let me give you a simple life hack to overcome fear and greed. For beginners, there are only two solutions. First, reduce your risk per trade. Don't rush to make all the money in the world, guys. Those who worry end up losing everything. Yes, that's exactly how it works. Small amount in each position will preserve your nerves at the initial stage. While you learn about yourself, how to manage your emotions, it will get easier later. Meanwhile, I'm in profit again. I'm confident we can finish this session on the same charts. To make the result more interesting for you and more pleasant for me, I will increase the risk to $1,000 and enter the market immediately. Let me explain. This entry has a large buffer for potential growth. I think this candle will eventually reverse upward and from a hammer, so let's see how it's play out. While the trade is running, I will share the second way to combat bad emotions. Trading with strategy. Right now, I'm completely calm for just one reason. This is why my second entry point on the charts with a clear long signals. Even though the price is currently moving against us, I know I entered with a growth buffer, and my session profit will outweigh any potential loss. Sometimes risk is justified, guys, especially when everything is going extremely well. And yes, I'm taking my money against $7,500 in the account, guys. That's enough for one session. Don't rush to skip this video. I understand that many things I explained might sound unclear. That's normal. When I started trading a couple years ago, my brain was exploding from all these strategies, divergences, and all technical analysis. But now you have a choice. Either you go through the same path I did and learn how to trade while burning through your deposit in the earlier stage, or start trading using AI that provides you ready and tested signals and will help you earn, even this is literally your first day in trading. Together, my team and I have developed this unique software and have put into it my experiences multiplied by AI capabilities. This is an application that monitors and analyzes the charts 24/7 and give you signals with 72% accuracy. All you need to do is enter the trade at the right time and make profit. You want to know how it works? Subscribe to my Telegram channel via the link in the descriptions and DM me there, and I will explain you how to use and set up these applications. And most importantly, you will get this software completely free. So I'm waiting for you on Telegram. Follow the link in the descriptions and we continue. Now you have clearly seen that this strategy works and can bring you decent profit. But you haven't learned the key nuance, the indicator settings. Now I will show you. Let's start from the beginning. With SuperTrend, we can adjust line thickness and color, but the most important thing is the parameters. Set SuperTrend period to 12. Now it's less sensitive and its signals are more reliable. Other visual settings are to your taste. Now let's configure the moving average. We can set a more visible color and crucial change the period to 7. You can also adjust the thickness for more frequent signals. Now everything is ready, we have an excellent strategy with SuperTrend defining the price directions while the signals MA handles market entries. Just look at the situation here. Only a long signal targeted, then the price stayed above the MA. How many profitable entries could you have taken if you were trading at the moment? I recommend taking your destiny into your own hand. Now I will move to summarize the session result. You have got everything you need. A trading strategy with nearly guaranteed result long term, plus the knowledge to control your emotions. I would appreciate your likes and subscription to the channel as thanks you. And don't hesitate to share your thoughts about this content. I will read all the comments and truly value your feedback. If you need more information, welcome to my trading channel. There you will find everything a trading beginners need, including free trading signals to get you started fast. Success begins here. Now I will say goodbye until the next video. My friend, take care and happy trading.